What's up, YouTube? We are changing the coil pack today on a 2014 Porsche Cayman, and it's a Boxster engine. Let me show you a little bit where it's at. Way up in there. We got cylinder 3, cylinder 2, and cylinder 1's way up in there. Luckily, Mondo's number 3, the easiest to get to, right there. Real pain in the butt though. It wasn't too bad. Mission accomplished. No more number 3. Let's check the light here. No more check engine light. Of course, we've got a stored permanent code. I unplugged the injector coil to figure out which one was number 3, but so we've got all the permanent codes still there, but the other present codes are gone. So, mission accomplished. Give you a little revvy.